Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to log in on Payoneer. To get started, let's open Payoneer. Now here tap on sign in button. It will navigate you to this interface. So here enter your email or username and enter your password. Then tap on sign in button. And then it will navigate you to this interface. Now to get started, let's open start button. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.